Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an automatic invoice in Excel. We're going to build the template for this invoice together. As usual, I will give you the file. It's going to be available right below the video, so you can download it already, download the template and follow with me how we build it. So how should we do this? What I want to do, I'm going to make another sheet with all my data. What I want to do here, I want an invoice with the list of products, the quantities. So for example, here I'm going to have the product. I'm going to have the quantity, price, amount here, and I'm going to have the total here. So for example, maybe I'm going to put something like this, an area with where I can write all my my product information. So here I'm going to put some format like this. Another one. Here I'm going to have the total. Like this. So what I'd like to do, so for example, I would like to have, and I'm going to have the reference as well. Reference. Okay. So what I'd like to do, if I add the reference and the quantity, I'd like to be able to have the price, the amount, and the product, everything calculated. So for example, I'm going to add the references here. Reference, and what do I need? Product. So for example, it's going to be A, B, C, D, whatever you use as a reference, and it's going to be table, chair, desk, table, chair, desk. What can I have more? I'm going to take a stool. I'm going to take a stool, for example. So I have the product, the product reference, the price, and the price. I'm going to use the price. So it's going to be 40, 30, 79, and $12, for example. So these are my data. Of course, it's better if you can. I mean, you can add all the data you want. Here's going to be the invoice. So quantity, price, amount. So reference here. I'm going to put for all the reference. I'm going to add a data validation, so I can choose in the list of references here, and here I can choose all the reference, and among all the references I'm going to center this, and if I put 2 chairs here, I want the price automatically. So here it's going to be VLOOKUP. Everything's going to start from the reference. So I'm going to look for the reference in the table here. And I'm going to return what? The price I said. So it's going to be the third column and an exact match. So C is 79. That's okay. The total amount is going to be this. So this I'm going to put it as financial, like this. 7900, and this is going to be 79 times 2, and I'm missing the product name, which I'm going to write here, and it's going to be in the second column of the table. So I have the desk price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in white. format, I'm gonna put some horizontal lines like this, and so for example I can put the same formula here. Oops. I'm gonna copy paste special the formulas and number format. Okay. And if I have nothing, if there's nothing, I'm gonna put an if error. Okay. So here, formulas and number format like this. Here it's going to be, so here I have to enter it, reference as well. And here, same, if I scroll and put the formula, I have an error, so I'm going to put an if error of this. If it's an error, I'm going to put some blanks. And I'm going to copy paste this paste special with the formulas. Okay, and here it's going to be the same, paste special formulas and number format. Here paste special formulas and numbers format. Okay, and so now if I add reference A, a table, it's a $40 table. If I take 5, it's going to tell me $200, and now I need the total, which is going to be the sum of all of this. I didn't take everything. I'm going to take the whole sum here. I'm going to put this in white as well, or in blue, something like that. I'm going to put this in bold, white, and this. And of course I need, so that's going to be the basis. I'm going to put my company. So my company corp. My address. So I'm going to put this like this in big, so you can put your company name, your address, and here we have a template of an automatic invoice. You just have to enter the name of the product, and everything is going to be filled. The name of the product, the quantity, and it's going to tell you automatically the invoice number. So don't forget to download the file right below, so you can download it, improve it, or use it like this. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.